Today we're talking about, you probably wouldn't guess by looking at it, but we're talking about a garage door opener.
Yeah.
And obviously this isn't your ordinary garage door opener. This is the Liftmaster, what makes
8500.
this? The
This is
Liftmaster.
the Elite Series 8500. This is the new W. So this just came out a couple months ago. I'm super pumped about it because I have this one without the MyQ Wi-Fi.
Right.
So that has Wi-Fi capability.
And so
which is
Chamberlain,
really
so it's a
cool.
Liftmaster. It's made by Chamberlain. Chamberlain makes tons and tons of garage door openers. They know what they're doing. And just you mentioned that MyQ. I have a Liftmaster at home, but it's a regular, the old-fashioned regular one, not the fancy one, like
old.
And what MyQ is just that it talks to your, from your phone. You can open and close your garage door. It'll alert you if your kids are sneaking out at night, that sort of thing. And the garage door opener I have by Liftmaster, it's really a nice unit, and it has that MyQ. But they also sell like a little box that's a MyQ, so it would still run. You could do all those other things on your existing garage door opener, but mine and this one has.
Yeah. So this has it incorporated. With it, which is really.
But this
cool.
is obviously not at your regular. So what?
No, this.
Why do you like this? Why should we
in my
care?
eyes, this is the best opener out there.
Why?
And because it's like a commercial grade for residential. It's very heavy duty.
Well, but the obvious thing is it's not. It's different. It's run on the shaft.
Yeah. So what this does, I get so excited. I just want to talk about it. So this actually mounts onto the jack shaft of the springs on the garage. It's a wall mount.
Yeah.
And that cuts vibration down. So a lot of units, people are building living space above garages now.
And I see you can do on both
opener.
sides.
Yes.
Too, right?
Yeah. So it's ambidextrous. You can do left or right.
Right.
But so people are mounting garage door openers on the ceiling of these. They're finishing these spaces above garages now. The vibration, the sounds there. That's not with this.
So this would be mounted on the wall next to the garage door opener, so you don't have the big thing hanging above, so you got extra space and it's quiet.
And this thing is unbelievably quiet. It's got a variable speed, which I love. So when you actually hit the opener, it starts off, it ramps up slow, and and then it slows down.
And
it's
actually, the
super
Liftmaster I have at home does that too. It makes a huge difference when it comes to noise.
Yeah, it does. So the other thing that's really cool about these openers that you can't do with your traditional.
And what are they called?
style,
They're called shaft. What are they? They're not shaft driven.
Jack shaft.
Jack shaft.
Yeah, jack shaft garage door opener.
All right.
So what this also does is you can do up to 18-foot wide garage door, and you can do 14 feet tall.
That's a big.
This also does
this
high
same
lift.
unit.
Yes.
Oh,
This
so you
also-
can run the tracks way up.
if you got 13-foot ceilings in the garage, you can run all the way up there 6 inches from and not worry about this, 12 inches from the ceiling, and you can get the door up and out of the way. And there's nothing in the way. It's open opportunity for storage above there, all that kind of stuff.
So I just thought of this. That light is separate.
Yeah.
And you wouldn't necessarily want that light right next there. So how does the light work?
So the light is actually wireless.
So you can put it anywhere where there's.
Yes, it communicates. Every time you open and close, you can put this on the ceiling, on the wall in the garage.
Yep.
So with mine, I put it by my wife's car door, so when she comes home and opens the garage, we only have a one-car garage, she can see in her area, because she can't flip the lights on, obviously. So that's another thing that I really love.
And this is basically the remote I have with my unit, and what I like about this, and at first I didn't think I would like about it, and because I put it right by the service door, it has a motion detection, so you walk outside and it turns the light on, which I didn't think, usually you have to walk out the big overhead door. This one, you walk out your service door into the garage and the light comes on, which I didn't think I would like, but actually I love it.
Yeah.
And it actually stays at this height, so when my dog runs out the doggy door, it doesn't turn the light on every time for that.
Thermostat on it.
And that's the other thing I like about it. It has a thermostat on it, which is great.
Yeah, so they've done a lot of great things.
And obviously so what does a regular garage door opener cost? A couple $100?
$200-$300.
And what are we talking for this?
So $450. This is the brand new one though.
Right. And you have this one in your garage?
Yes. I have this one, the model below, so I don't have the Wi-Fi, the MyQ. I don't have the battery backup. So that's another thing that this new one has. It has the battery backup as well.
Oh, yeah. Mine does too. And actually, I've used that. It is kind of nice.
Yeah, well, I haven't got to use mine.
Well, you don't?
That's
true. I'm surprised you haven't upgraded already.
So this, some point. But this opener is cool too because now you can program your remotes for your car and stuff right from the wall. Like you don't have to get up to the garage door.
Like my old one did, yeah.
It's got the safety release. You got to let the door go.
So
and then the other thing is people are going to sit here and question because when this goes down, how do you lock the door? Somebody can grab it and lift it. No, it's actually got a bolt action. It throws a bolt action through the rail on the wheel to lock the door, so you can't lift it up.
So nobody can come through and
Well, you can't pry the door and lift it because it's locking the wheels on the track. So that's what's really, really cool. So I mean, for it to tell you it's open, close, I don't know. I would not buy anything else but this opener. I love it that much.
Well, in your garage, I mean, you have a small garage too, so any kind of extra space above
I need the space. You're right. Yeah.
Yep,
Thanks for pointing out my small garage.
I was going to go somewhere, but I'm not even going there. Liftmaster, what is it called again?
It's the 8500.
8500. Where do you get it?
This is the Elite Series. Check it out online, or you can go on Liftmaster.
All right.
But yeah, it's worth the extra money.
Yep, very nice, Josh.
I know. You really have to try this thing.
Yep.
I've been using these since 2000. Their first generation was like 2007, 2006. I have not had an issue. They're like
that's what you want.
free.
You want to forget. It's one of those things you want to forget about.